you only need 1 point. Yo guys, it's Yuritin UG and this video is going to be a short one, I think, because it's a custom battle video. I have two combos here. Gravity Perseus 230 WD and Pre-Hybrid Pegasus D125 R2F. Now, for this Perseus, I'm gonna leave it on defense mode because I think, as far as I've seen, the counter mode is basically useless unless you put a attack type tip on this. But I'll do the dual rotation stuff and all that. And for the pre-hybrid Pegasus, I think it's gonna win. By the way, this combo weighs 44 grams and 39 for this one. Each round will be a best of 5. Go shoot! Go shoot! Whoa! Perseus was holding its own. Go shoot! Go shoot! Double KO. Go shoot! Go shoot! Come on, Pegasus. Yeah, 2 points for Pegasus. Go shoot! Go shoot! Oh, what the fuck? So that's instantly 2 points. Go shoot! Go shoot! Ooh, Pegasus might win this one. Or maybe not. Oh shit. So that's 3 points for Gravity Perseus. So it wins. I think it's gonna win. Now it's time for left spin. Go shoot! Go shoot! Shit! Perseus got lucky there. Ooh! Nice upper attacks by Pegasus, but to no avail. 1 point for Perseus. There's no chance Pegasus can win against left spinning Gravity Perseus. Go shoot! Go shoot! Oh, fuck off, dude. Oi! Oi! That was unexpected. Go shoot! Go shoot! Ooh, let's go Pegasus! Oh shit! God damn it! Is it going to be a spin finish? Oh, fuck! 2 points for Perseus. Maybe I was wrong about this combo winning. I mean, it's a good combo, but against this, I don't think so. Go shoot! Go shoot! Double KO. Go shoot! Go shoot! Whoa! 2 points for each. Go shoot! Go shoot! Come on, you can do it, Pegasus. You only need 1 point. Whew! With 3 points, Pegasus wins.